What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today we're checking out Adsby, an AI platform that optimizes your Google Ads campaigns so you can earn more and stress less. Struggling to make money with your Google Ads? Then say hello to your new best friend, Adsby. Let's build a campaign. This Google Ads Optimizer lets you generate ad content in any language you need. You can even set up your campaign objective, anything from clicking links to booking a call, and then configure your bidding strategy and target location. Adsby keeps it super simple, so even if you're not a Google Ads pro, you can still maximize ROI. Adsby uses your landing page to generate ad groups, making it easier to boost your ad quality score and conversions. It'll even throw in some keyword suggestions and competitive scores. You can also generate new headlines or descriptions if you're not feeling the first batch. Once you're happy, just hit publish and boom. Your pro-level campaign is live and ready to get crazy clicks. Adsby's base deal starts you off with 1 account, but if you need more juice, then go ahead and upgrade. With a Tier 3 plan, you can connect 10 ad accounts, manage $100,000 of ad spend per account every month, generate white label reports, and invite 10 team members to the mix. Adsby's AI continuously optimizes your campaigns and shares quick, actionable tips for improvement. It'll also spot unrelated search terms and underperforming keywords, draining your budget, and help you get rid of them. On the flip side, it'll highlight winning keywords with lower cost, so you can do more of what's working. Want to make more money off your Google Ads? Just click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access to Adsby today.